Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to permanently delete photos and videos from the recently deleted folder on your iPhone. So let's get started without wasting any time. Open the Photos app on your iPhone. At the bottom, tap on Collections. Now scroll down to the Utilities section and tap Recently Deleted. You may need to unlock it with Face ID, Touch ID or your passcode. Here, you'll see all photos and videos that were deleted in the last 30-40 days. Tap Select at the top right corner. Choose the photos or videos you want to remove permanently. Now tap the three dots at the top right, then select Delete. Confirm by tapping Delete from this iPhone. And that's it, your photos and videos are now permanently deleted from your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.